In this video we will have to see more about AWS Specialty Certifications. AWS Certified Advanced Networking, Specialty. The AWS Certified Advanced Networking Specialty Certification is intended for individuals who want to validate their advanced networking technical skills and experience in designing and implementing AWS and hybrid IT network architectures at scale. Abilities validated by the certification. The Advanced Networking Specialty Examination will test your skills in the following domains: designing and implementing hybrid IT networks, designing and implementing networks, automating AWS tasks, integrating networks with application services, security and compliance, managing, optimizing, and troubleshooting networks. AWS Certified Data Analytics, Specialty. The AWS Certified Data Analytics Specialty Certification is designed and recommended for engineers who already have experience implementing big data platforms in AWS for analytics and processing, and who understand the wide range of services offered by this technology. Abilities validated by the certification. Collecting data in batch, real-time, and near real-time processes. Storage and data management. Data processing, both at the file and database levels, SQL and NoSQL. Information analysis and visualization. Implementing machine and deep learning models with AWS tools. Selecting the best tools for each use case according to the restrictions and advantages. AWS Certified Database, Specialty. The AWS Certified Database, Specialty Certification focuses on deep concepts of databases and their critical aspects such as designing, security, configuration, deployment, migration, monitoring, automation, and troubleshooting. Abilities validated by the certification. Deep understanding of different database services and configurations. Implement automated solutions for deployment, scaling, troubleshooting, and monitoring. Cost and performance effective solutions as per requirements and use case. Best practices to support low maintenance, fault tolerance, caching, encryption, security, and access control. AWS Certified Machine Learning, Specialty. The AWS Certified Machine Learning, Specialty Certification is intended for data scientists or professional machine learning developers. This certification focuses on deep aspects of data manipulation and optimal machine learning solution development using AWS services and tools. Abilities validated by the certification. Data structures. Data is often processed and manipulated via the help of predefined data structures such as matrices, arrays, lists, maps, graphs, etc. Data management. Data is a vital component to developing machine learning solutions. Data should be transformed using data modeling, data cleaning and data transformation techniques to achieve the results. AWS Certified Security, Specialty. The AWS Certified Security Specialty Certification is intended for individuals who perform a security role. This exam validates an examinee's ability to effectively demonstrate knowledge about securing the AWS platform. Abilities validated by the certification. Incident response, logging and monitoring, infrastructure security, identity and access management, data protection. Then meet me in the next video. If you have any trouble with any of the course material, please don't hesitate to contact us toptechgurus.com. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more help with interview preparation. Let's get learning with Top Tech Gurus.